Hey, what's up guys? It's Dilio here. So we've gone over how to trade ranges. Now we're going to talk about how to trade trending markets. So when the market is trending, this is when you can catch big pieces of big moves across both Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. But you need a way to identify that we are trending as well as learn how to play that. And we have a few bots that are going to help you do that today. So what you can see here is a ton of levels, daily resistance, and support levels. These are pulled from our bot inside of the Discord. We have it for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. We do daily and 4-hour levels. When you click this is going to generate you levels that are pulled from 3 years worth of data. So these are hard levels for you to use, and we can put those onto the charts here and we can see. So let's take a look here on the 4 hours. We're going to be looking at trending price action on the higher time frame. So we can see here we made the big impulse up. We had a bit of rejection here at the first resistance, and then we broke through to the second one. Now we came down here and we formed out this little range. You want to get short in here and you'd want to get long in here, because whichever way this breaks, you want to be involved in that. And if you didn't get long on these support tests down here from our level, another thing you could have looked at, just simple price action stuff, the break of this trend, right? And we broke up, came into the next resistance, and we flipped that into a support. So you can see we tried it again, and we came down and we held the support. Again, this is your new little range as we're trending, because what are we doing here? We put in our higher high, and then we're forming the higher low here, and again the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then eventually we break down here. So overall, this is your structure as we are trending on the higher time frames. So we're not ranging, we're not staying in between this here, going like this. We're trending up and up. Now, you can identify that with our levels and the higher time frame. And then there are tons of triggers that'll happen in these little areas on the 30-minute time frame where you can look to get involved in the market. But right now, we're just gonna learn how to identify the trends, and you can take all of the other learnings and videos from how to use our bots and apply those into the lower time frames. So we can even see here on this test here, nice trigger here, we got the sweep, we push up through both of these resistances, and now we're finding resistance here. You can see that we're flipping this one into support, and again, right, testing here, rejecting here, testing here, we form our higher low because now we push up again, and then eventually we get here. And you can see, if you draw a trend line, you can see trending. What happens? We break it and we break the last higher low here and structure, and what happens, we come up and then we start flipping the opposite way. But you are looking to identify the trending nature of the market, and you can do that using our levels in the higher time frame. And then you can look to get involved every single time we flip a level or we reject, and then we flip. You break your trend line here, you sweep the low here of the range, and you're looking to play that next leg up as we continue trending. Again, we find the range here, we sweep these lows here, you can get involved for that next leg up higher, right? We reject here, we get a big liquidation candle down, and you can see the demand there filled all the way, pushes up, and then eventually we fold over. This is how you can identify trending markets using our bots with simple daily support and resistance levels, a bit of general TA, and then you can execute using all of the different bots that we teach about on the lower time frames in order to execute both flips and or Monday high and low sweeps, 30-minute divs, things like that, to get involved in the next leg of the trending market.